Rima from LNG Electronics. So today I am making the recipe of jaggery wheat cake. For the ingredients, I taken here 50 grams of jaggery powder, 150 grams of wheat and 100 grams of butter. So first we can put a butter and jaggery powder, we can mix it. First we can beat the butter here. So for this I can add a jaggery powder. This is for the 50 grams of jaggery powder. This we can beat nicely. See now here butter and the jaggery powder will be mixed. So this is we are making for the cookies. So wheat cookies we are making. Just we mix this. It comes to the creamy part on this. So now I can add for the wheat flour. Don't add it at a time fully. First you can add little bit, mix it, then you can add it. So first you can knead this in the spatula. Finally you can knead with the hand. The dough is ready now. So this is you want to make whatever the shape you want to make, you can make a shapes of this. So similar like this. So you can make a shapes like this. In this one, so now we can make a shapes on this. Similar here we can press for the convection. Set for the 200 degree. Start for the preheating. So until unless it's a preheating get done, we can make a shapes of cookies on this. See now it's a preheating for 200 degree. So once the preheating get done, I made for the cookies shapes here. We are using for the low grill rack with a multi-cook pan. So once the preheated get done, we'll keep inside, close the door, set the time for 15 minutes. 15 minutes, start. So last 10 seconds will be there. Jaggery wheat cookies is ready now. Jaggery wheat cookies is ready. Okay.